In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack AI app complete guide. Before you build anything, start by defining your AI app's purpose. This is important because the clearer the goal, the easier the rest of the setup becomes. Your app might be a company knowledge assistant, a customer support bot, an HR assistant, a project management helper, a meeting summarizer, a content generation tool, or a sales support assistant. Having that use case in mind will guide the permissions you request, the events you subscribe to, and the features you build. Next, head over to the Slack developer portal and create a new app. Choose the option to build it from scratch, then enter your app name and select the Slack workspace where it will live. After that, click Create App. Keep the app name simple and descriptive, so it's easy for users to recognize later. Once the app is created, go to OAuth and Permissions to configure your bot permissions. Add the scopes your app actually needs, such as the ability to write messages, read channels, access channel history, read group conversations, access direct message history, and read user information. Try not to over-request permissions. Keeping your scope list limited makes the app more secure and easier to approve. After that, install the app to your Slack workspace. Approve the requested permissions, then copy the bot user OAuth token. This token is sensitive, so store it securely and never expose it publicly in code, recordings, or documentation. Now choose the AI provider that will power your app. Popular options include OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, Relevance AI, VectorShift, or even a custom model. This provider will be responsible for generating responses based on the messages your Slack users send. From there, build your backend application. The backend should receive Slack messages, send prompts to the AI model, receive the generated answer, and then return that answer back into Slack. Common stacks for this include Python or Node.js, often with frameworks like FastAPI or Express.js. Think of the backend as the bridge between Slack and your AI model. Next, configure Slack events. Open event subscriptions, enable events, and enter your server endpoint URL. Then subscribe to events like channel messages, direct messages, and app mentions so the bot can actually receive and respond to user activity. If you want your app to answer company-specific questions, connect knowledge sources such as Google Drive, Notion, Confluence, PDFs, internal databases, or websites. This helps the AI retrieve relevant information before responding. You can also add useful AI features like question answering, summarization, content generation, and workflow automation. Once that's in place, test everything carefully in direct messages, channel mentions, threads, knowledge retrieval,